British American Tobacco, or BATS, has so far not moved from its roots and changed its name like many other tobacco businesses. It's certainly no secret that the tobacco sector has hit challenging times, with smoking rates falling around the world. This continues to put pressure on revenues and profits. We get to see how estimated revenues are faring on the 12th of June, with the trading update ahead of its first half results on the 1st of August. How will the company have fared? Will the move to outline the health issues with tobacco coincide with the ban on direct tobacco advertising on Formula One racing cars back in 2006? While some tobacco companies still do sponsor F1, it's not allowed to paint recognised names on the sides of cars. So tobacco companies have been trying to find other revenue streams. One such move has been to push so-called vaping or e-cigarettes, something BATS has been good at. Despite the success of this new line, the last 2 years has seen British American Tobacco shares lose around half their value. This is the weekly share price chart going back to 2006. So you can see the vertical blue dotted line is where the tobacco advertising on Formula One stopped. The big rise that we've seen subsequent to that has been the push that these tobacco companies have gone into emerging markets to try and get new tobacco smokers. Since the peak that we saw back in May 2017 at £56.50, we've seen big declines as the revenues have been hit because these emerging markets are now revenues there beginning to dry up. So where does this go? Well, looking at the daily chart, you can get a better idea. The support line here at £23.35 is not too far away from where we are at £27.31. I'm not suggesting we could well get there in one leap, but certainly if we see weak revenues coming through when this company reports on the 12th of June, followed by potential profit hit at the August publication of those first half results, that could put pressure on the stock. But could British American Tobacco pull a rabbit out of the hat? For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGTV and subscribe to our YouTube channel.